It's a 1965 Amplicar. They made about 3,800 of these. There's about 800 left in the world that are operational. I bought this one all in pieces and parts and put it together, and obviously I did something right because it floats and it drives. Yes, so last night we were out in Lake Kempeska with it, and yeah, me and the kids, I live on Pelican, so we go out all the time. So, and it's a 770, it'll do 7 knots in the water, about 10 miles an hour. It's 70 mile an hour down the road, and it will do that.
This is an original pickup bought by my great uncle in 1941, and it's been in the family since then. And the last time it was used on the farm was 1968. In '84, I got it, started rebuilding it, and this is the final result.
And how long did it take you to get it to this point?
Okay.
What time is it?
About 8, 9 years to really get it to this point. Yeah.
And
it take a lot of time.
And what make and model year?
41 Chevrolet pickup truck. Original factory colors for 1941.
And you've won a lot of awards, it looks like.
That's not the reason I built it, because it was a family member deal, more or less, but when you go to car shows and everybody just loves it.
First time being at the Watertown show. I have a 2001 Trans Am. It's got less than 10,000 miles on it. Enjoy going to shows, watching, just looking at everybody's beautiful stuff. I know this is a little new, but you kind of compare, you know, usually when you think of a car show, you're thinking older stuff, but this is what I got, I guess. So.
And how long have you had it?
I've had it for about 4 years.
Is that right?
Yep, yep. So me and my wife, we enjoy it. I also have a 51 Chevy pickup at home too that we're gonna start showing that one next year a little bit.
Okay.